Exercise 23. The length, LT in inches, of a bass in a lake t years after the first year of life can be approximated by the linear function L. Some values of that are L1 equals 6.5, L2 equals 9, L3 equals 11.5, and L4 is 14. On top of that, we have m of t, which is equal to 2.5t plus 5. And for this, we know that it stands for the length in inches of a trout in the same lake. Once again, t years after the first year of life. According to these models, which of the following is closest to the expected age to the nearest whole year of a trout that is 25 inches long? And since it refers to a trout and not a bass, we will apply the m of t model. So we know that for the length of the trout after t years of life, we have this model over here. It's 2.5 multiplied by the years of life plus 5. Now, if we have a trout that is equal to 25 inches long, so this means that this should be 25, then if we make it equal to 2.5t plus 5 and we solve for t, we should be able to find the number of the years we were looking for. It's 20 equals to 2.5 times t, and then 20 over 2.5 equals t. 20 over 2.5 is equal to 8, so it should be 8 years old.